Alright guys, today I'm doing a recipe here. So I got some organic Grill super greens, I got some chicken I want to use up, and I got these dairy-free mac and cheese with vegetables. So this is their sort of Alfredo sauce. Let's take a look. As you can see, dairy-free, 6 grams of protein. And there's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause it. It's made of tapioca. So let's open this up. I like this. This is probably one of my favorite flavors. It tastes better than the cheddar one, I find. So people always ask me for quick ideas for dinner and stuff, so this is pretty easy. Here's your noodles with the vegetables, as you can see. Here's your cheese sauce. So what you want to do is you want to cook your chicken first, and then put in the macaroni, and then let the water simmer out, and then you just mix the cheese sauce, put it on top of some greens. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, so I have it all cooked up now, so I'm just going to mix the sauce together, and then put it on top of the greens. I'll be right back. Alright, so I have it on top of my greens, as you can see. Let's do a quick taste test. Flavor is really good, guys. This is probably my favorite. It has a subtle cheese flavor. It's not as strong as the cheddar one, and the vegetables make it go really well, like the peas and carrots. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel.